Hey guys, Roger C. Scrapping. Well, it's Sunday. There's not a lot to do today. Shark sliced creams, Scrap and Irish sliced cream is over. So I might as well do some work. Got a couple of coffee warmers here. Anybody wondering what the status on the coffee situation is? I've still got, I don't know, 15 machines left to do. So, and those will be done. And then I'm done till I can pick up some more stuff. So, let's see. I don't really have good places here to place my camera so that you guys get a good view, but we'll try this out. So I've already done the 3 burner. I've got a 4 burner. I've got a 3 burner over there, and single burner warmer, and a double burner warmer here. We'll do these 2 real quick here on this video. There's not a whole lot to them. Top burners held on with 3 screws. So just an update, I do have my eye on a truck. I have not contacted the seller yet, but I think it's something that might work out. Cut the wires, and then this is just tin shred. Let's take the top of this off. So it's a Dodge full bed pickup truck, and I'll be contacting him tomorrow. I'm trying to keep my Uber costs down. I've got a doctor's appointment tomorrow and a prescription to pick up, and these Uber charges are, if I'm not careful, they're going to eat me alive. So the sooner I can get something of my own, the better. And the nice thing about these coffee machines and these burners is all the hardware is stainless steel. So, okay, off comes the top. And these rails here, those are brass. Well, the last ones were. I'll double check these, but I think it's 1/4 inch. No. Bigger than 5/16. There we go. I should say not all the hardware is stainless. The nuts are not. They go into shred. And that's a piece of clean stainless. And these non-magnetic. And watch your ears. Helps if you plug it in first. These are stainless. The last ones I did were brass. All right, so this is a little bit different than the last one I did. Really. Okay, stainless steel baffle inside there. Just gotta take that plastic grommet out. Clean stainless. And I have taken in more stainless steel this year so far, and it's what, mid-March, than I did all of last year, just on these coffee machines. Number 2 insulated wire. Now these strain reliefs for the cords, they are usually a real pain to get off. I've found a quick and easy cure for those, like an 1.5 inch chisel. As Ian would say, Bob's your uncle. All right, then we've got a couple more nuts. Come on. All right, then I've got the switch and the plug to take out of the back. There again, simplest way I found. When in doubt, give it a clout. All right. Clean stainless. And that's it on the single burner. So, I don't want to drag this out too long. Let's get right on the double burner. And it's pretty much the same exact thing. Take the burners off. tinge red. And of course, on a majority of these, they use straight screws, which are a real pain. Stainless. All right, take the legs off. Oh, they use Phillips. Nice. Sometimes these ones on the side don't want to play. Come on. Always when you're on camera. Really? All right, sometimes you just gotta go a little medieval on them. I wasn't asking. piece of clean stainless. Cut the wiring. We're here at the nitty gritty now, so. Number 2 wire. One more screw. Two switches. And clean stainless. So I know that was probably one of my more boring videos, but I wanted to put, you know, something out, and that's what I had available. Later on tonight, I'll probably get into that 3-burner. That'll be a little better video, pretty much the same as the 4-burner. But as far as, you know, metals goes, that was pretty boring. There's what, 3-4 pounds of stainless steel there, a small handful of wire. But I did want to thank everybody for their support. Like I said, I've got my eye on one right now. May or may not work out. I do have an absolute backup plan. It's a van, and I'm not real keen on vans, but you know, at this point I'll make do with what I can get. So I'll call this guy on Monday on this Dodge and see what's up with it and give her a test drive and see what kind of a deal we can work out. So thank you, everyone. Thank you all for your support, words of kindness. We're real close to where I need to be. I think the GoFundMe's at 17 and change. I did get another 500 with PayPal. I've been using the PayPal funds for bare minimum daily expenses. You know, I had labs the other day. I had to do an Uber to that. I'll have an Uber tomorrow for my doctor's appointment. You know, it is what it is, and I'll work to get this wrapped up just as quickly as I possibly can. But thank you all again, and hopefully we'll see you later on tonight on that 3-burner coffee machine. All right, we'll see you scrapping.